Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to make Ghana chips. And here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have here 4 cups of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of butter, blended onion, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. So I'll go ahead and combine all the ingredients together. And I'll gradually add in about half a cup of water, not too much. So I'll continue to mix until it forms into a dough. So I'll sprinkle some of the flour over the chopping board. And I'll go ahead and transfer the dough onto the board. So I'll be cutting the dough into half. And I'll set the other half aside. Now I'll go ahead and continue to knead the dough until it becomes soft and lighter. So after kneading, I'll now flatten the dough with a rolling pin and cut it into slices with a pizza cutter. So I'll now go ahead and use a kitchen knife, a kitchen scissors to cut into a smaller shapes. So I'm done cutting. Now I'll go ahead and heat my oil and start frying. So I've heated the oil on the medium heat. And I'll be frying it for about 10 minutes until it's golden brown, stirring continuously. So at this point, the chips is now done. It's looking beautiful and crispy. I'll now transfer it onto a paper towel and let it cool down. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.